Did you know that most home service business owners fail within the first 3 years and some a lot sooner than that? And there's many reasons, such as they can't find decent leads. There's too many tire kickers and time wasters and people just searching for the lowest cost job out there. So you can't make a decent living. Well, I'm here to tell you that's all about to change and change right now. My name is Joe Hesmondhaus and this is my very first YouTube video. So I'm not a professional speaker and I'm not a professional videographer. I do stumble over my words quite a lot. I look at my notes and this might not be the most professional video you see on YouTube or the internet anytime soon. But I know what I'm talking about. And so I decided to start this YouTube channel to show you what a successful home services business is all about. And why have I done that? Well, I'll get to that in a moment. But all my friends and my family and people I come into contact with say, Joe, you've built some amazing home service businesses. You've done so well and been very successful. People can learn from what you've done. So you should start a YouTube channel and teach people what you know. So here I am. And I want people to watch this video and my other videos to come on a journey with me. I really want to help people get more leads in their business, convert those leads to high-paying customers and make more money in your home service business. I do know what I'm talking about, so pay attention. I don't really expect that many people to see this first video, maybe none at all. I'm doing it kind of for my own personal benefit, really, but I've got a lot to say and I've got a lot to teach, so hopefully you're going to watch this and come along with me. So who am I and why are you listening to me? Well, like I said, my name's Joe. And I was brought up in the UK and I lived in my sort of late 20s and early 30s. I lived in the United States, but now I live in New Zealand and I've been here for about past 20 years. I've been in the home services industry most of my working life. I've done a lot of things, from window cleaning and house cleaning interiors to exterior house washing and roof treatments. I've sold and installed carpet. I've done decking and fencing, tile and grout. I've done a lot of stuff. And some successful and some not so successful, but I've learned a lot along the way, and I have a very particular set of skills. That's a good line, isn't it? A very particular set of skills, and those are how to generate leads and how to convert those leads into high-paying customers and how to get those customers to buy from you more often and refer their friends and family to you. That's what I know, and I know really well. And why I know that is way back in 2009. After I've been in the home services businesses for quite a long time, me and my business partner, we got our heads together at sort of the height of the financial crisis, and we started a tile and grout restoration business. And that was just fixing leaking showers, fixing broken tiles, cleaning tiles and grout, that kind of thing. Now, we started out in the middle of winter in a freezing cold garage with a budget of $5,000, but we had a couple of plans for that. We wanted to be a high-end service, charging premium prices, so we had to develop a lead generation strategy and then a sales system to convert those leads into the highest paying customers we could possibly do. Now, I don't want to go into too many details in this video about that, but needless to say, I just want to say that after about 10 years, we grew that tiny little business to the largest and most successful home service franchise group in New Zealand, with well over 100 franchises here in New Zealand. We also expanded to Australia and the UK. We were generating a minimum of 12,000 leads per year, so it's 1,000 leads a month, and we had an over 90% conversion ratio from those leads into paying customers. And we used a whole range of different tactics to how we generated those leads and some very specific steps on how to convert those leads into high paying customers. And part of this YouTube channel is me just going through my experience and showing you the way we could generate those leads, some old-fashioned ways of generating leads, some new ways of generating leads, and how to, again, convert those leads into high-paying customers. And hopefully that will help you in your home service business. So what else can I say? That's my real desire at the moment, and is to teach and let you know how to do it, because you shouldn't have to fail. You don't want to be another one of those statistics out there who just starts a home service business with hopes and dreams and desires of success and a fabulous business that will give you the lifestyle you want and desire and deserve, but then you end up failing, because you get in rubbish leads and tire kickers and time wasters. So I want you to come along on this journey with me. Now, I'm going to release at least one, probably multiple videos per week, and they're only going to be short, between 5 and 10, 15 minutes at the very outside. And they're just going to be full of tips and tricks and things that you can do and things that you can learn and to make your business successful. One of the other things that I've developed a free 5-part mini course, which is about no, it's not an hour. It's about 35 minutes long. And it's at the homeserviceblueprint.com. I'll stick a link below here. So if you want to learn a little bit more about that, teaches you how to generate more leads, convert those leads into high-paying customers, and to get them coming back for repeat and referral work, so you can make more money in your business. Click the link below, and that'll take you there. It's the homeserviceblueprint.com. Okay, that's probably all for my very first video. Please like this video, please subscribe to me, and so you can get and click the little bell icon, and so you can get more content as and when I release it. Like I said, probably a couple of videos a week, and so we can get your home service business success, and you can come along for the ride with me. So if anybody watched this, great. If not, well, that's also good, because I'm kind of doing it for me. So my name's Joe from the Home Service Blueprint, and I'll catch you in the next video, hopefully.